This is the Smiths in Bullhead City, Arizona. They have the fireworks up. They got the Dino 2-pack, $5. Disco Turkey for $3. Down here, they have the new Super Value 3-pack of fountains. 3-pack of red, white, and blue fountains. So Crimson Cascade has red effects. Luminous Liberty has white effects. And Brilliant Blue has blue effects. 3-pack for $13. They have the rainbow sticks for $5. They have the new Jam Box fountain, $12.99. They also have a version they're going to sell at the stands that's called the Boom Box. This design has also been rewrapped by Big Fireworks and by Great Grizzly Fireworks. So the Jam Box has a little strobe in the front where the speakers are. That'll be $13. Taco Tuesday. They have the Razzle Dazzler assortment for $60. This is a new design on the box. They have Proud Eagle, $35. Again, that's a new design for the box. 20-inch sparklers, $5. 2-pack glow swords for $10. Some of the same stuff. There's the Razzle Dazzler with the old design of the label. Some of the same stuff up here. They have the red snap, adult snaps, $3 now. The price went up on that. Disco Turkey again. More of the 3-pack red, white, and blue fountains. Disco Turkey. Assortments. Coming around on this side then. The Razzle Dazzler assortment again. Now this is new, the Rootin Tootin fountain. It's a plastic box now, $5. Taco Tuesday. Sparklers, $3. Small Patriot pack, $13. Color Blast. This is also a new box design. Going back to the Proud Eagle. More sparklers. Old design of the Razzle Dazzler assortment. This is the old design of the Color Blast. So it went from a red box to a yellow box. Some of the same stuff. The dinosaurs, poppets. Now here, instead of the blue and yellow box, they have it with the red and yellow box. First year I've seen it here in Arizona with the red and yellow. Ground blue flowers, and smoke balls, $2. So this is the Smiths in Bullhead City, Arizona.